plus, minus, multiply, and divide. There are 4 simple formula in the Google Sheet I will show you in this video. Before I show you, I want you to know that the sign formulas in the Google Sheet: plus, minus, and multiply. With the multiply, we use the asterisk sign to calculate. And the last one, divide, we use the /force divide in the Google Sheet. Now I have some examples just to you here. So this is plus first. I select and remove. Okay, so I want to plus this cell and so on on this. So I just press show equal sign here like that. Click on first cell plus the second cell. If you want to show the answer, you just click enter. Okay, so this is the answer. 55 plus 55, the answer 50. This is correct. Number 2, minus. Click this cell and wants to minus this cell and show answer on this. So first you need to show the equal sign, and I click on this cell and show the minus sign here and click on this cell and show the answer, press enter. Okay, 50 minus 40, the answer 10. Correct too. 3. I want to show you how to calculate the minus in the Google Sheet. So first I have the first cell and second cell and also show the answer this cell. So I just press show the equal sign, next click on the first cell and use the asterisk sign, and after click the second cell, press enter. Okay, so the answer 50. It means that 5 multiply 10, the answer 50. Okay, correct. 4. Divide. I want to use this cell 100 divide 2. So the answer, what is it? If you want to show the answer, just press equal sign, click on the first cell 100 and slash, and next click on the second cell, press enter. Okay, 100 divide 2 and the answer 50. Okay, correct too. Okay, so this is for the basics or simple formula in the Google Sheet. You can try, and I hope that you know and everything that you can do it. Okay, after I have some example here. So this is the score of the student monthly. I have a computer, English, and life skill. There are 3 scores of the skill here. So I want to total here. You just press equal sign and click on this cell plus this score and plus the last score here. And if you want to show answer, just press enter. The same time that I show you at the moment. Press enter, please. Okay. Next, click on this button. This means that the answer will automatically show the answer in cell. Okay, so I go back. The simple formula plus, minus, multiply, and divide, I show you already. Thank you for your sharing. See you in the next video.